Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals -6, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -17, and y equals -7.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals -6 to x equals -17, the run is -11. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals -7, the rise is -9.
Slope is rise divided by run, -9 over -11, which simplifies to 9 over 11. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 9 over 11, x1 is -6, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.